Yes, today. So yesterday we were doing the operations of exponents. So we finished with some problems. I'm going to show you those problems on the screen. So these were the problems I assigned you. This was first set. This was another problem. One more problem was there. In the last, power is -3. Then these two a little tougher problems were there. So these were the problems which we discussed yesterday. Now, today we will be starting with the next topic. Next topic is that operations on real numbers. So write down the topic. You should write the topic on the fair notebook, preferably with a sketch pen. Okay, operations on real numbers. Today we are going to learn operations on real numbers. So let us start. First of all, we need to understand what are life, what are they. Himanshu, there is disturbance at your end. Himanshu, mute yourself. Himanshu, mute yourself. Karan, you also mute yourself. All right.
So you can repeat the topic.
Manav, what are you asking?
Sir, you can repeat the topic.
So topic is this. Have you not written yet? Topic is
No,
this.
sir.
Operation on real numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So operations
Yes.
on real numbers. For there, you know, what are the operations? Operations are of two categories. One is the addition, subtraction. This is one group of operations. Okay. This is one group of operations. Then is multiplication, division. This is second group of properties. A second group of operations. So there are two groups of operations. So first we will study the first group of operations. Right? Now, In order to have the first group of operations, means addition or subtraction, their numbers should be like numbers. The irrational number should be the like irrational number. For example, we cannot add under root 5 and under root 3. We cannot add, but we can add under root 5 plus under root 5. This is equal to 2 square root 5. Or we can add 3 square root 5 plus 2 square root 5. This will give you 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5 root 5. So you can consider this like this. This is 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. अभी you do not start taking down ये सारा मत लिखो. Right. So now you write down a problem. Let us try to solve a problem here. Suppose we have 5. Suppose we have 5 root 3. Start writing 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 7 root 3. Students, you see, all these are root 3. So all these numbers, all the three numbers are like numbers. All the three numbers, 1, 2, and 3. These are like numbers because everywhere there is square root 3. So now we can add and subtract very well. All right. So is equal to square root 3 is taken common, and we are left with 5 minus 2 plus 7. And answers comes out to be 10 root 3. Faster. You have to be faster. Now let us take another example. एक और example लेते हैं. Okay. Start writing 5 root 2 plus 3 root 8 minus 32 under root. No, here you have a problem. Here you have a problem. All the irrational numbers are not like. They are unlike. We have to make them like first. That means everywhere 2 should come. Square root 2 should come. For that, let us do it. This is simple. Now 8 we can write at 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 32 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times. Now rest you know. स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर दो का पेयर चाहिए, तो ये दो का एक पेयर बन गया, बाहर आ गया 3 into 2 और अंदर एक 2 रह गया. Now here also एक पेयर ये बन गया, एक पेयर ये बन गया, 2 पेयर बन गए. Yes, Daman, speak up.
No, sir. No.
Okay, so here यहाँ पे दो के 2 पेयर बन गए, यानी 2 दुक्के 2 2s बाहर आ गए और अंदर एक 2 रह गया. Is it? Now we are left with 5 root 2 plus 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2. Now it is simple. Root 2 is taken common, and what is left inside? 5 plus 6 minus 4. Hence it is equal to 5 plus 6 11, 11 minus 4, 7. 7 root 2. I hope you understood. तो अगर like decimals नहीं हो तो पहले हमें like बनाने पड़ते हैं. In case we don't have like decimals, so first we need to reduce them to not decimals. I'm using the wrong word. If the numbers are not like numbers, we have to reduce them to the like numbers. All right. Now let us take one more example. I'm trying to have many and many examples so that you can see. I will be sending you the video also. You can see these examples time and again. बार बार देख सकते हो. So that you can solve the problems which I have given you yourself and efficiently. Let us have another problem. Suppose we have 24, then 54 square root over 9. Now here there is a lot of problem. So first of all, let us try to simplify them. 24. 24 means 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 square root. We have prime factorized. 54. 54 is 6 9s are 27 2s are means 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So now here pair of 2 is there. तो एक 2 बाहर आ गया, अंदर 6 रह गया. Here एक 3 का पेयर बनता है, वो 3 बाहर आ गया, अंदर 6 रह गया. अब आपका ये these numbers are like numbers. Now these two numbers are like rational numbers. Now in both of the numbers there is square root 6. Everybody will speak with me. Now these numbers are. Everybody please speak better fast. Now these two numbers are. What happened, beta? Why are you taking time, so much time in unmuting like second class children? So repeat with me, complete the sentence. Now these two numbers are.
Now these
Now
numbers
these two numbers are.
Do not repeat my words. Just fill the last word. Now these two numbers are like numbers. Beta, why don't you understand like numbers? क्यों like numbers? क्योंकि इसमें भी square root 6 है और इसमें भी square root 6 है. जब हमने शुरू करा तो इसमें square root 24 था और इसमें square root 54 था. In that case, they were not like numbers. Now they are like numbers. Now we can solve them easily. So we have taken square root 6 common. We are here left with 2.8 and here 3.9. Array, cutting was also possible. First we were supposed to have cutting. 2, 1 over 4. And here 1 over 3. Cutting कर ली हमने. Now 6 is square root 6 is taken common. And here it is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. And rest is the simple work. Here LCM 12, 3 plus 4. So now is the final step. 7 over 12, square root 6 is the final step. Hope you got it. So always we have to try to bring the numbers to the like irrational numbers. Once they are like irrational numbers, then it is easy to solve them. Now let us take one strange example. I hope you are moving your pen faster. Pankaj, unmute. So Pankaj, mute yourself. Pankaj, muting and unmuting should be quick, right? You are the senior children. So let us have another example. 4th root 81. 4th root 81 minus 8 into cube root 216. 216 plus 15 into 5th root 32 plus square root 225. First of all, nothing to think about. First of all, let us simplify them. जल्दी से जल्दी इनको simplify कर देते हैं. Right? So 81. Somebody tell me what will be the prime factorization of 81? Come on, who will tell me? What will be the prime factorization of 81?
Sir, 3 into 3 into 3. Sir, 3
3,
into 3
how many?
into
How many
4
times?
Sir, 4 times.
4 times.
4 times. Yes, this will be 4 times. So that means inside there is 3 raised to power 4. Inside there is 3 raised to power 4. Now here 8. So what is the prime factorization of 216? Anybody? This is cube root of 216. So what is the prime factorization of 216? And
3
nobody?
multiply 3
1
times
to 2.
and 2 multiply 2 times.
3 multiply 3 times and 2 also 3 times better. That means 6 3 times. That means 6 3 times. I'm just trying to match with this. So that means 6 cube. Now 15 here. Come on, help me. What should I write here instead of 32? Yes, Peter. Come on. What should I write instead of 32?
2
2
5 times.
power 5.
2 raised to power 5. Who was this?
Sir,
Pankaj, why did you annotate? Pankaj, why did you annotate?
sir, in this side of 5.
No, please do not
No.
touch the screen. I have not disabled annotation today. So here it is 2 raised to power 5. Now here there's a problem, but this is square root only. So 225 square root is 15. Simple. It is 15 square. Here if you see this 4 goes with 4. How? 3 raised to power 4 is already there. Students, I have made a mistake here. I have made a mistake here. I have written this in the wrong way. इसको ऐसे लिखना था. This was 4th root. So 4th root means power 1 by 4. Now here is 8. Himanshu, why are you touching the screen? Today I forgot to disable annotation beta. Be careful. So here 8. Now cube root means power 1 by 3. It was 1 by 5. It was 5th root. Now plus 15. And the power is 5. And the root is 5th root. Wait, I faced some problem. I lost my screen. So here fifth root was there, so that means power 1 by 5. And here it is 15. Simple. Now you see 4 goes with 4. 4 goes with 4. 3 goes with 3. 5 goes with 5. So now the simple numbers are left with 3 minus 8 into 6 plus 15 into 2 plus 15. Now it is very easy to solve. All right, 3 minus 48 plus 30 plus 15, and this is equal to 0. A little strange question was this. So students, this way you should move forward. You can refer the NCERT examples also. All right. Now these were the operations. Now for these operations, you have to solve these problems. I'll send you the picture also. Based on these problems, you will solve these questions. I'll send you the picture also. So these 10 problems you have to solve. Now let us move for the next portion of this, multiply and divide. Okay, multiply and divide. Himanshu Mark is going and coming, going and coming. So multiply and divide. So in case of multiply, we don't need to have the like irrational numbers. In case of multiply, we don't need to have the like irrational numbers. Yes, we need to have like irrational numbers. In case of multiply also, we need to have like irrational numbers. So what is the rule? Let us study the rules. Suppose now you write with the black pen, everybody, black pen. Now suppose there is one irrational number, nth root of a, and then there is another irrational number, nth root of b, and we want to have multiply with them, and we want to have multiplication in between them. So what will be the new result? Okay, this you don't write here. What I'm going to write, you don't write. This means a raised to power 1 over n and b raised to power 1 over n. And you know it, here the power can be taken common. So in multiply and divide, power can be taken common. So क्या आ गया हमारे पास ab raised to power 1 over n. Now you write. So क्या आ गया हमारे पास ab raised to power 1 over n means nth root ab. ब्लैक वाला आप लिखो. क्यों आ गया? You have seen that. So what is the formula? Formula is this: nth root a into nth root b is equal to nth root ab. मतलब अंदर के multiply हो जाते हैं if they are like numbers. If they are like numbers. For example, let us take a question like this. Suppose you have square root 12 and square root 6. All right. So both are squares, square roots. वो भी square root है, वो भी square root है. Suppose both are square roots. We need to have the same kind of roots. This is the condition. We need to have same kind of roots, not the like irrational numbers, but the same kind of roots we need to have. So here is also square root. Here is also square root. So as per this formula, this will be multiplied. 12 into 6 means square root 72. That's simple. और एक बात, ये भी square root है, and this is also square root, and that is why we could multiply 12 into 6. But if there is 12 into square root 6, we cannot multiply. If there is 12 into square root 6, we cannot multiply. We can write it like this, 12 root 6, but we cannot multiply because this is not square root. This is square root, but this is not square root. Write this also. Come on, keep writing. So let us take another example. Take this out. 4th root 32 multiply 4th root 8. Okay. We will try to simplify this. I will write it again. 4th root 32 multiply 4th root 8. So as you have learned the formula, this is 32 into 8. Here students, let us try to simplify also. 32 means 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Let us write this way. 32 means 2 raised to power 5. And 8 is 3 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So that means 2 raised to power 3. Now here it is multiplication. So the powers get added. So the new power is 2 raised to power 8. Now, this is 2 raised to power 8. And that was 4th root. That was 4th root. Okay. So this becomes 1 by 4. Power 1 by 4. Now inner power and outer power get multiplied. Inner power and outer power get multiplied. So this goes. So the new power is 2 raised to power 2. Hence the answer is 4.
Sir,
So
done.
this way. So this way you need to move. So up to here only we will study today. And I will give you some more problems on this. Okay. I'm going to give you some more problems on this. I'll send you this. So some of the initial problems you have to solve. You will be solving up to question number 22. So I'll send you the picture also. So that's all for today. Let us now finish. Oh, I didn't share the screen, I think so. So these problems also you need to solve today. So in all, you have to solve question number 1 to 20 from this piece. So I'll send you the picture also. Thank you.